students and friends. So this is Suresh Bharadwaj with the words, with many words governed by, followed by prepositions. There are so many words in English. They are always followed or governed by prepositions. So let us learn the correct uses of these words followed by, governed by prepositions. So here you see words followed by preposition, followed by appropriate prepositions. Appropriate prepositions. Appropriate, followed by or governed by. You can say governed by or followed by prepositions. Let me see. Ram was true to his words. We should be to our words. हमको अपने शब्दों पर, यानी जो हमारे शब्द हैं, to governed by to words, शब्दों पर हमको सच्चा जो कहा वो करा. And please don't talk to me. मुझसे बात नहीं करो. Talk governed by to. Don't talk to me. Trust governed by in. Trust in yourself. अपने आप में विश्वास करो. And trust in God. I have no test governed by for. So I have no test for politics. Politics में मेरा कोई टेस्ट नहीं है. No test for politics. Exercise, daily exercise. Exercise or yoga. Exercise or yoga is very useful. For your fitness, for your health. For your health or for your fitness. So useful governed by for. Useful for. Wait for me. अभी इसको आपने देखा होगा. Go on your way. Don't wait for me. अपना रास्ता नापो, मेरा इंतजार नहीं करो. Wait governed by for and go governed by on. Okay dear, wait for and go on. Just you have seen. My ring is made governed by of, made of gold. सोने की बनी हुई. Made governed by of, made of gold. Try to earn, इच्छा करना. Earn for, try to earn for. Earn governed by for to happiness. सच्ची प्रसन्नता के लिए इच्छा करो, अर्न करो. अर्न governed by for, अर्न for. I was wondered. I was wondered or surprised or stunned. आश्चर्यचकित, stunned at jugglers. Juggler जादूगर, jugglers fate. जादू जादूगरी करता है. तो wondered at आश्चर्यचकित, surprised at, stunned at, okay, shocked at, here you see, shocked at, stunned at, surprised at, wondered at, shocked at, here you see, अचंभित नहीं, ये हतप्रभ हो गया, धक्का लग गया. तो here you see, governed by at, you can see here. Okay dear, some more words let me use for better understanding of the words to be used correctly, appropriately. Okay, the words followed by prepositions and the uses. Let us understand, let us go, let us. I would like to warn. I would like to warn you of the danger. Danger खतरे के, warn of. Okay, warn of danger. Warn of. I would like to warn you of danger, of the coming danger, of danger. So here you see warn governed by warn governed by of, warn of, चेतावनी देना. Okay, she is well. She is well versed. Chatur Daksh. Well versed in bookkeeping. Bookkeeping. किताब रख रखाव में well versed. Daksh. Governed by in. Well versed. She is fit. She is fit for the post. वो post के लिए fit है. And he is unfit for the same. वह उसी के लिए, उसी post के लिए unfit है. Unfit governed by for, fit governed by for. You see here the uses of for. I would satisfy you. I would satisfy you with my work. Satisfy and followed by with. I would satisfy you with my work. मैं अपने काम से आपको संतुष्ट करूँगा. तो satisfy governed by or. Okay, he is dissatisfied. He is dissatisfied. He is dissatisfied with your work. आपके काम से वो बड़ा असंतुष्ट है. Dissatisfied governed by with. Satisfied governed by with. You just see here. Let me use some more words governed by prepositions. and the correct uses in different sentences. Let us understand, let us know, let us understand, let us learn. Okay, dear. Don't stare at me. Don't stare at me. मुझे मत घूरो. Stare governed by at. घूरना. Don't stare at me. She is sick of. Sick of. Sick governed by of. She is sick of miserable. दयनीय. Miserable life. दयनीय जीवन से वो बिल्कुल तंग आ चुकी है. Sick of. Sick governed by of. Okay, dear. Now, please refer the matter. Refer the matter or case. Refer the matter or case to the police. पुलिस को मैटर रेफर कर दो, निर्णय के लिए भेज दो. रेफर द मैटर टू. रेफर फॉलोड बाय टू. रेफर द मैटर टू द police. She has fully recovered. She has fully recovered from her illness. अपनी बीमारी से पूर्ण रूप से रिकवर हो चुकी है. तो recovered governed by from. Recovered from her illness, a serious illness. There must be no meddling. Meddling हस्तक्षेप करना. No meddling with my affairs. मेरे अपने धंधे काम में. No meddling. Meddling with. So there must be no meddling with my affairs. Meddling governed by with. No meddling. There is no match. There is no match for you. आपके लिए कोई मैच नहीं है. तो मैच governed by for. No match for. You are looking at these words. Okay. Learning these words followed by prepositions, and the words with the appropriate prepositions in their uses, in their sentences, you are saying. Just you see. I'm very loyal. I'm very loyal. Loyal or faithful. I'm very loyal or faithful to my country, to my motherland. अपनी मातृभूमि के लिए मैं बड़ा लॉयल हूँ, वफादार. लॉयल governed by to. Faithful governed by to. Okay. Smoking. Smoking is injurious. Injurious to our health. हमारे स्वास्थ्य के लिए बहुत ही injurious है. Injurious हानिकारक. To. Injurious now governed by to. Injurious to. She is ill. She is ill with fever. Fever से वो बीमार है. Ill governed by with. Ill with fever. Give up. Give up social ills and evils. Social बुराइयों से को त्याग दो. Give governed by up. Give up, tyagna. Social ills and evils. You see here now the words with appropriate prepositions are being used in different sentences. You just see here, and you will see further. Okay. देखिए, guard yourself. Guard yourself. अपने आप की रक्षा करो. Guard yourself from social ills and evils. सामाजिक बुराइयों से, बीमारियों से. Guard yourself from. No. Guard yourself against. So guard followed by against, governed by against. Guard yourself against social ills and evils. Just you see here. Please do good. Please do good to the others. Do good to the others. दूसरों की भलाई करो. तो do good governed by to, good to. So here you have seen here, he or she is good at, she बच्चे ही कर दीजिए. He is good at figures. वो figures में good at, good governed by at, good at figures. There are a few students gifted with talents. कुछ ही विद्यार्थी हैं जो gifted followed by gifted with the talents. So here you have seen here, cows feed on grass. Feed governed by on, घास खाती है गाय. So here you have seen so many words followed by appropriate prepositions, governed by appropriate prepositions. Okay dear, wish you all the best and brightest.